Mr. Chair, with the determination of quorum a while ago, sir, permission to proceed to item 2, the submission and opening of bid for the project entitled Repair of Smith's Detection X-ray Machines at various airports and facilities.
Please proceed.
At this juncture, Mr. Chair, the Secretariat would like to present a resolution for the following individuals to be designated as the technical working group for this project, namely Ms. Sapla, Ms. Sanchez, Attorney Bonite, and Attorney Guerrero for consideration and adoption of the committee, Mr. Chair.
Move to approve, Mr. Chair, the recommendation to designate these personnel to be the handling technical working group for this project.
I second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. This is to confirm that the Secretariat received one sealed quotation for this project. By the way, Mr. Chair, this is a direct contracting po, CSIS direct contracting. At this juncture, the interested bidder who submitted this quotation may now be admitted to the proceedings. Salamat po. Hello, sir. Magandang umaga po, sir. Please be informed that this proceeding is recorded po for documentation transparency purposes. In view of that, sir, may we respectfully request you po to please identify yourself and state the company you represent po. Salamat po.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Lito Peralta, representing Defense and Protection Systems Philippines, Inc.
Hello, sir. Magandang umaga po. Mr. Chair, we have received one sealed quotation in the form of Blue Expander. To the representative, sir, ito po ba yung pinasa natin kanina?
Yes, sir.
With that confirmation, Mr. Chair, proceeding to the opening of the sealed submission, Mr. Chair.
Proceed.
Inside the sealed Blue Expander, are two distinct envelopes and these documents. The two distinct envelopes are labeled copy 1 and original. Proceeding to the opening of the original, Mr. Chair. inside the sealed brown envelopes are documents with tabbings without pagination but appears to have initials on each and every page. Checklist, please.
Checklist. Valid mayor's permit or business permit.
Valid mayor's permit or business permit issued by the City of Taguig on January 20, 2025 until December 31, 2025. Submitted.
Valid field job certificate of registration.
Field Jobs registration issued to Defense and Protection Systems Philippines, Inc. on October 15, 2024 until November 8, 2025 with 3 pages. Page 1, 2, and 3. The following are the expiration dates reflected in Annex A. Mayor's permit, December 31, 2024. Tax clearance, July 23, 2025. Date of filing of AFS is April 15, 2024. Field job submitted. Mr. Chair, permission to proceed with the reading of documents prior giving recommendation, Mr. Chair.
Valid certificate of sole distributorship.
Valid certificate of sole distributorship. issued by Smiths Detection Asia Pacific to Defense and Protection Systems Philippines Inc., certifying that the DPSPI is currently the authorized distributor for all Philippine projects submitted.
Income or business tax return.
Mr. Chair, if I may, before we proceed with, can we check, Mr. Chair, if the document is issued abroad or locally issued, and if it is issued abroad, it has an apostille. Thank you.
Mr. Chair, together with the Smiths Detection of Certification of Authorized Distributorship, there's this document, a notarial certificate, Notary Public Singapore, and the apostille, sir.
Income or business tax return.
Income or business tax return. For third quarter, tax period September 30, 2025. Submitted.
Technical specifications with compliance statement.
Technical specifications with compliance statement. Submitted.
Original of duly signed and accomplished financial bid form.
Financial bid form. Signed, dated, submitted in the amount of 8,694,148 pesos. With no discount and below the ABC. Right? And equal to the ABC, Mr. Chair. Submitted in the amount of 8,694,148 pesos with no discount and below the ABC. With this, Mr. Chair, the Secretariat would like to recommend the disqualification of this supplier for the submission of suspended field JEPs in view of the mayor's permit reflected in Annex A, which indicates the expiration date is December 31, 2024, and the tax clearance expiration date July 23, 2025.
Motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion.
Move to adopt the recommendation of the Secretariat to disqualify the bidder for submitting a suspended certificate of field JEPs registration.
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Motion is approved.
Our PhilJEP's registration approval was filed last September 23 of this year. And it's still pending approval with the PhilJEP's online registration. Yung pong sinabi nyo na the tax clearance, I have a copy here with the renewed tax clearance, and it has already been submitted to the PhilJEP's. However, twice na po kami nagpunta sa PhilJEP's following up the same, but still makikita naman po natin sa sa online registration na it's still pending for approval. So may we submit a copy of the tax clearance if we may. Yung aming PhilJEP's naman po ay effective pa naman po up to now. And I believe that yung absence lang po ng tax clearance na updated ang pwede namin ibigay sa inyo as of now.
Comment.
Mr. Chair, if I may.
Yes, please.
I suggest, Mr. Chair, for the disqualified bidder to just write motion for consideration, send it to back secretariat, indicating the reasons, the grounds why you should not be disqualified. At the same time, attach all the necessary documents that would support your assertions or contentions. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Yes, Mr. Chair, that's within 3 calendar days from today.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chair, sir. Salamat po. And you are now, sir, excused from the rest of the proceedings po. Salamat po.